Good morning, dear students. Let us begin this chapter. So, as we know, the democracy has its pillars on judiciary, executive, and legislature. So, here we discuss these, these prominent pillars more elaborately. So, in the beginning of this chapter, we are discussing about a memorandum produced by the Government of India, that is in 1990, August 13th. What is the main theme discussed in this particular memorandum? That is a reservation that is for the 27% for the category called socially and educationally backward classes. So, as we know, this reservation was mainly given for the SC/ST people, but it is also additionally provided for the socially and educationally backward classes. So, this particular memorandum was produced by an officer signed on behalf of the government, union government. So, this particular memorandum was under the discussions and debates. So, the country moved with this particular debates. So, that later these things were taken into the court, especially the Supreme Court, under the name Indira Sahvini and others versus Union of India case. So, 11 judges heard these arguments and declared this order is valid but need to modify. So, here we discuss these three particular incidents. So, we are discussing this particular incident with the intention of keeping in mind judiciary, legislature and executive, how these particular institutions involved in this particular need for political institution. What is the need of the political institutions? As we know, the Prime Minister, we are discussing mainly based on the central government. So, the Prime Minister and the Cabinet, they take important decisions, but these decisions are implemented, making practical by the civil servants. So, if any disputes come in on because of these particular decisions and its implementation, that is settled by the Supreme Court. So, the several arrangements are made in modern democracy which are called institutions. Democracy works well when these institutions perform functions assigned to them very well. So, let us take another example. So, that may help you to understand very well. So, that is very recent issue. So, let us say another important example. This is a GO government order produced by Kerala government. പൊതുവിദ്യാഭ്യാസ വകുപ്പ് 2020 ജൂൺ 1 മുതൽ സംസ്ഥാനത്തെ സ്കൂൾ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് സാങ്കേതിക സൗകര്യങ്ങൾ പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുള്ള പ്രത്യേക ക്ലാസുകൾ ഫോഴ്സ് ബെൽ നടത്തുന്നതിനും കൈറ്റ് വിറ്റേഴ്സ് വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ ചാനലിലൂടെ സംപ്രേഷണം ചെയ്യുന്നതിനും അനുമതി നൽകി ഉത്തരവ്. So, as we know, this is a decision taken by the cabinet with adequate discussions and decisions. So, but we have to identify these decisions are implemented by the particular civil servants, especially the education director and all other prominent bureaucrats maintained. What is the procedure and routines? So, they provide a delay, but in a positive sense we can understand that it is an opportunity for wider set of people to be consulted, and it also take a difficult to rush through a bad decision. So, there is a time for to take decision and it also with the consultations. Now, we continue discussion on parliament. which is discussed in the beginning of our chapter. So this particular reservation, especially the socially and educationally backward people, for them that is a reservation is provided. This particular reservation is provided because it is a report produced by Mandal Commission, VP Mandal, after his study on the backwardness of the people. So this particular report was produced in front of the government and they are taken into decision. So the decisions are not directly taken in parliament, but parliamentary discussions on the report influence and shape the decision of the government. So the discussion on the report that influence and shape the decision of the government. So this discussion bring pressure on government to act. If parliament is not in favor of the decision, then the government cannot go ahead and cannot implement the decision. So the parliament and especially the discussions which need the consent of the parliament to act. So that is the procedure of the parliament. Parliament where the important discussions are taking place, but it needs the consent of the parliament to make into action. Do we need a parliament? I think you remember this question. We have already discussed it in the last year. So here we see what is the need of this particular parliament. So legislative assembly, that is what is the role of a legislative assembly? Parliament is the final authority of making laws, and it is also the possibility of abolition of the laws and amendment of the law also taking place in parliament. And those who run the government can take the decision. Controls the money that the government have. So it has the highest form of discussion and debate on public issues and national policy in any country.